Afternoon, students. Today I am going to discuss the chapter Mother Who Loved the Poor. Sabina was an old and poor widow suffering from a serious disease, lived in the slum in the Kolkata. She was without food for many days. Nobody cared for her, nobody gave her alms, and she suffered from leprosy. What is leprosy? Leprosy is a disease that hands and legs becomes means torn up and it becomes little inactive. She lay in her hut without waiting for her death, and when she heard the sound of the footsteps, she slowly opened her eyes and looked up. There stood a woman clad in a white sari with a blue border. The woman was Mother Teresa. Mother took her to the mission house. She looked after her, gave her food, and nursed her. This is how Mother Teresa helped the poor and the needy. She is known as the saint of the 20th century. She is known as the saint. She helped the poor people. She loved the poor people very much. She was the messenger of God on the earth. Let us know more about her great soul who visited our earth. Mother Teresa was born on 27 August 1910. She was Christian Agnes. Her name was Christian Agnes. Agnes was the youngest of the three children of her parents. When Agnes was 9, her father died. Her mother was an ordinary housewife, had to look after the family, so she started to earn her living by sewing wedding dress. She was a tailor and she was earning her livelihood by sewing the dresses since her father was not there and mother have to look up the family. She never failed to call children in the evening to pray together. She called all the children together in her house for praying. Drana was very charitable woman. She was moved by misery of the people and needy. She gave all the help to the poor and miserable living in the neighborhood. This kind attitude of her mother filled in the Agnes or love for other. Her mother was also like this, was helping the poor people. So she got this quality from her mother. Agnes was 18 when she was decided to spend her life doing God's work. On 25th September 1928, she joined a group of religious sisters called Loreto Sisters. So Mother Teresa name was Christian Agnes, and she was joining Loreto Sisters. She took a name Teresa for herself. She was going there and she took a name. Sister Teresa came to Kolkata and worked in the hospital. She later became the headmistress of the well-known school in the Kolkata. Close to the school were the slum. So near the school, so many slum area people were there. The poor condition in which the people live moved her. By seeing the people, she felt very sad. Together with some girls, she should visit the slum in the evening to help the poor in every way. So every evening she used to go there and she used to help the poor people. Mother Teresa heard God's voice telling her to live with the poor. She wanted to leave the convent. It was not an easy thing. So it was not an easy thing to leave the convent. She had to wait for many years before she got permission to leave the convent. So for leaving the convent, she had to take the permission. She started wearing a cheap white sari with a blue border. Soon she became a common figure in the slums and streets of Kolkata. So every poor people knows her because she was very known and she was visiting there every time, every evening, and she was helping the poor people. Okay, inspired by her life from the poor, a young Bengali girl joined her mission to improve the lot of neglected of the poor. Though she was born in Yugoslavia, she adopted in India as her country. She got many national and international awards for her good work and poor around the world. Mother Teresa received the Nobel Peace Prize and Bharat Ratna. So Nobel Peace Prize 1979 and Bharat Ratna was 1980. Means 79, next year she got the Bharat Ratna award, and also she received Pope John Peace Prize also 1971, and India's Jawaharlal Nehru Award of International Understanding 1972, 71, 72, 79 and 80. This was the year. On the 5th September 1997, Mother Teresa died of a heart attack. It was a great loss for the worldwide. Mother Teresa also will be remembered for her loving kindness and charity. So this was the work of Mother Teresa. She was helping the poor and needy. So she was doing great work in her life. So she got many prizes, many Nobel Prize, Peace Prize, Bharat Ratna for helping the poor people.